those conversations with people from so many different disciplines was what has helped inspire my PhD thesis, which I will now be pursuing on a Gates Cambridge scholarship at Cambridge University. I remember reading a biography of Einstein growing up and thinking, wow, how interesting the world really is, the nature of the universe. Another thing that was really exciting was I read Harry Potter and I read a lot of other fantasy fiction novels, and I was fascinated by this idea of magic. Is what we see around us the way things actually are? Is there a reality beyond that? One thing led to another, and I decided to come to LUMS and major in physics. I've always had a real strong interest in science, but I've also had a real passion for the humanities as well, especially philosophical thinking. And what I loved about my time at LUMS and my time specifically at the School of Science Engineering was that was really celebrated. Why I was able to take courses in general relativity, within quantum mechanics, within nuclear physics, and at the same time I was able to take courses in the philosophy of science and within epistemology. I remember every Friday we would have these brown bag talks where people would just bond over pizza and samosas, and I remember the late nights when we would relax on the sofas in the physics department and we would be having debates over the latest episode of Lost, or at the same time we would be doing a philosophical conversation about physics, whether it is spherical cows falling from the sky and whether such a cow would hit the ground and die. We would have many exciting conversations, and I really savored my time at SSE with my instructors and with my fellow students. Honestly, it's after SSE that I've come to appreciate the connections between poetry and physics, between philosophy and physics, between dancing and physics. And we need to bring that into classrooms. And I have seen the educators who have come out of SSE do that, and it is what has inspired my journey over the last 10 years. What would be my advice to future students or current students within SSE? Don't care about your GPA. Don't care about your GPA. Instead, embrace the uncertainty, embrace trying something new. LUMS gives you this opportunity, this amazing opportunity within Pakistan to study across so many disciplines at the same time and gain a unique exposure that will polish you. Fully embrace it and always eat your instructors' heads after your class. Spend hours with them eating samosas and chatting about the nature of the universe, and it will help you grow in more ways than you can imagine.